Welcome to our Physics of Sports broadcast, where we will break down basketball and show you all the physics concepts in it. Today in our broadcast, we will include projectile motion, kinetic energy, and a lot more physics concepts.
If you like basketball, this is the place for you. We will be talking about basketball and some of the concepts that make it one of the most interesting sports and probably the most active sport in the world. Many players, like Kobe Bryant, use the backspin to improve their chances of getting the basketball into the net. When an object is spinning and bounces off something, it will have a tendency to bounce in the direction of the spin. This is useful for players who bounces the ball off the backboard or the back of the net. The resulting bounce will more likely send the ball downwards into the net. Without backspin, the ball is more likely to bounce away from the net.
Dribbling deals with a lot of physics, especially dealing with the types of energy. When someone holds the ball without it hitting the floor, this is called potential energy because there is no energy being transferred. When the ball hits the floor, this is called kinetic energy because energy is being distributed between the floor and the ball.
Another aspect of basketball where calculating the physics can be intersecting lines in passing. The idea of catching a pass can be analyzed using the equation force equals mass times velocity. In using this idea, the greater the time is, the lesser the force will be, and thus the pass will be a lot easier to catch and not drop.
Another input in basketball is shooting, because when you shoot the basketball and it's in the air, it's going to fall due to gravity because the ball will start to fall after it reaches its highest point.
When a player jumps in the air, he can appear to be suspended in mid-air during the high point of the jump. This is a consequence of projectile motion. This is used in basketball because when a player jumps for a layup or a dunk, he will be suspended in mid-air during the high point of the jump due to projectile motion.